Lesson 2, Busy Models and Licensing.
In this chapter, we'll discuss about various busy models available, that is the basic edition, standard edition, and the enterprise edition. Apart from this, we'll discuss the licensing policy of Busy. From Busy 18 onwards, Busy has also started Busy license subscription also, and we'll also discuss how security check is done in Busy, that is it is done through soft lock or hard lock. First of all, we'll open the Busy application. On opening the Busy application, you can see a message box is appearing that a valid security device could not be found. Program will start in demo mode. This message has appeared because currently no security check is done. That is, Busy has not found any security device on the computer. Security device in Busy are of two types, basically hard lock and soft lock. Hard lock is a physical device which is attached to the USB port of your computer and contains information pertaining to model, version of Busy, edition you have purchased. In soft lock security feature, security check is done through a license file. With physical security check device, there are chances of damage and theft, but with soft lock security feature, there is no such risk and it contains complete information of version, model, edition of Busy you have purchased. We'll discuss in details both these features also, but first of all, we'll discuss about the various Busy models. If you are running Busy in demo mode, then first screen you will see is of the select Busy model. However, in the company menu also you can go to select Busy model option and you can view various features available in different editions of Busy. You can also compare features available in different editions like in basic, standard and enterprise edition. Also, Busy comes in single user, dual user, multi-user mode also, so you can compare the features and buy the product according to your business requirement. Also, if you want to upgrade Busy from a certain edition to another edition, for example you are using basic edition of Busy and you want to upgrade it to standard edition, then you can first check those features also. You can use those features also, though you can use them only in the demo mode, but you can check those features, use them, and then finalize that which edition of Busy is best suited for your business needs. Now we will start with the soft lock security device, that how you can register with the soft lock, what are the various options for the soft lock. So for this we'll go to company menu, license management menu. Here you can see lots of options are appearing. Here first option is of soft lock registration, that is you want to register for the soft lock. It is mandatory to register for the soft lock, then only the program will not run in demo mode and will run according to the model edition you have purchased. On selecting the soft lock registration option, you can see a soft lock registration screen is appearing. Here Busy is first asking that you want to register for current machine or for some other machine. We will select the current machine option, that is we are registering soft lock for this particular machine only. However, the concept of registering for some other machine we'll discuss later after this status. Then next you will specify that you want to bind soft lock file with your computer's hard disk or machine ID. Here we are selecting the machine ID option. Then you will specify the serial number and activation key of your package that you will be having on the package that you have purchased, and click the validate serial number button. Busy will then validate the serial number and activation key, and if this combination is valid, then you can see installation details box will get activated, in which you need to specify certain information like installed by, invoice date, trade description, address, date and other such information. After this you need to specify the email ID for communication. Please specify the email ID very carefully, as all further communications or mails will be sent by Busy on this particular email ID. Then specify the password and recheck the password, that is again specify the password to check. Again I am mentioning that please mention a correct email ID because security file will be sent to this particular email ID only. On clicking the register button, Busy has also shown this message box that please specify a correct email ID and password. Next, Busy is asking, shall I proceed for soft lock registration? Click yes button, and now Busy has shown a message box that you have been registered successfully. A mail has been sent to this particular email ID that you have specified. On opening your mailbox, you can see a mail has been sent by Busy. At the bottom of the mail, you can see a file is there. Download this file on your computer. By default, this file is downloaded in the downloads folder. Now you'll go to the download folder, copy this file and paste this file in the C BusyWin folder, in the C drive, in the BusyWin folder, that is wherever your Busy is installed. Paste this particular file in that folder. Now when you will run the Busy application, you can see that it will not run in demo mode, it will run according to the model version specified in the softlock license file. You can see here the message is showing that this is enterprise edition with 25 counts and so on. All the information, as I have said earlier, also is contained in the softlock file. Now we will be discussing that how you can register for some other machine. This will be required when you are not having internet connection on the computer on which you want to run busy application. Now we'll go to that particular computer on which there is no internet connection. We'll open the busy company menu, license management, and we'll click the generate system info option. On selecting the generate system info option, busy will generate file in the C busywin folder with the extension BMS. You can copy this BMS file to the system on which internet is available. We will again go to the computer on which internet connection is available. We'll paste this file on the desktop. Now we'll again go to the softlock registration option and select the for other machine option, and we'll specify the file path, that is the file that we have just kept on the desktop. Again specify the serial number, activation key, and the whole registration process is similar that we have just discussed, and busy will be registered for that particular system on which internet connection was not available. Next option is revalidate softlock license. This option will be required only if you are not having internet connection on your computer for more than 90 days. If you have a continuous internet connection, then you will not need this option. However, if there is no internet connection on your computer, then you need to revalidate your softlock license file once after 90 days using this option. Next option is get softlock license file. In case your softlock license file gets corrupted or there is some problem in the softlock license file, then you can get the same file from the busy. You can use this option, specify your serial number, email ID, and busy will send the new softlock security file on your email ID. Next option is change softlock email ID and password. If you want to change the email ID and password, then you can use this option. On selecting this option, you will specify the new email ID and password that you want to change. Next option is surrender softlock license file. Use this option only if you want to install busy on some other computer. Otherwise, there is no need to use this option. This option is to be used very carefully. In case you have formatted your computer, then there is no need to surrender the softlock license file from busy. This option will be used only if you want to install busy on some other computer. Now, then only you need to surrender your softlock license file. Till now we have discussed all the options related to softlock. Now we will be discussing options related to hardlock security feature, that is dongle. Here first option is upgrade busy for dongle users only, that is if you want to upgrade busy, then you can use this option. On selecting this option, you need to specify a path of the file which has been sent to you by busy. That is, if you want to upgrade your busy version to higher version, then file will be sent to you by busy, then you need to specify the path of that file in this particular option. After specifying the path of the file, you can see busy is showing the current configuration and the new configuration. That is, currently your version is 17.0. now you have upgraded to 18.0 version. Using this option, you can upgrade busy, and that is for dongle users only. Next option is update signature for dongle only. This option is used if you are having some problem in dongle, that is dongle is showing correct serial number but your model or version is not showing correctly, then you can update the signature. Signature file will be sent to you via mail by busy. You need to specify the path of the signature file and click the validate file button. Then it will show the correct information, that is the correct information contained in the dongle. Next is update dongle registration details. This option is used only if you are not having internet on the computer on which dongle registration is required. In this case, you need to contact busy or your channel partner and get a registration file. Then when busy will send you a registration file, specify the path of that file in the registration file option and click the validate file button. Now busy will mark that this particular dongle has been registered with busy. So this option is to be used if there is no internet connection on the computer on which dongle registration is required. Now we have discussed the softlock features and hardlock features.
One more point that needs to be discussed here is Busy License Subscription, BLS. From Busy 18 onwards, Busy has started its licensing policy under the name Busy License Subscription, that is BLS, which will be valid for 1 year. After 1 year, you need to renew the Busy License Subscription. Some of the benefits of the Busy License Subscription are that you will get all the major and minor updates free of cost for 1 year, that is till the time BLS is valid. You will get all the major and minor updates of Busy free of cost. Apart from this, there are certain value-added services provided with Active BLS. The services are Busy Mobile App, Busy BNS app, and BDAP services. Busy Mobile App is an Android-based mobile app which can be used to connect with real-time data anywhere, anytime. Busy BNS app is an Android based mobile app which can be used to receive messages, PDF attachments of invoices, reports, alerts, and other business notifications documents from Busy. BDEP service. BDEP stands for Busy Data Exchange Platform. With access to BDEP service, user can exchange their data, that is invoices, electronically with other users of Busy. These are some of the benefits of having an active Busy license subscription. In this chapter, we have discussed about Busy models and licensing. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.